This is the September 9th video and agenda. So you do have today's warm-up. Some of you have Friday's warm-up. We had some technological issues, but last I checked, everybody's Teams was working, just your books were not working, and your, I can't think of what the word is, but one of the platforms was not working, but Teams was working. So if you went through the student resource page and clicked on the Office 360, it was working. So I know some of you weren't able to do it. That's okay. Today is a catch-up day. Today I'm spending time just letting everybody catch up. You have nothing new to do today. Everything you have today is just catching up. Warm-ups. You must do your warm-up every single day for every single class. That is a must. That is not optional. If you want credit for being here, for being present, for attending school that day, you have to do your warm-up. For my class, it's 2 questions. I think the majority of your teachers are doing it the same way through assignments with just a couple of questions. So be sure you're taking care of that. Each of you are getting an individual message from me that tells you a list of what you owe me. Some of you have nothing, and you're going to get congratulations. All you have is your warm-up today. Have a great day off from math, because those students have been doing their work every day and been keeping up with what they're doing, and I'm very proud that I do have a group of you who have been very faithful and taking care of business, so good job. But some of you haven't turned in everything, or you're missing quite a bit of things. I can't give you credit if you don't turn something in, just like if you were in school. If you don't turn something in, it's a 0. Same thing. If I don't get it from you, it will be a 0. In 8th grade, you cannot make up your zeros. So please take care of this today. Anything I don't get by midnight is a 0. If you have questions, if you're having issues, let me know. But I'm sending the video links to you. I'm sending what you need to be able to finish it. Now, when you go to your assignments, I don't know exactly how the student view looks like because I don't have a student view on my computer. But there should be a place where it says like returned assignments or turned in. If you click on them, there should be a message box that tells you what you made on that assignment, how you lost points for that assignment, and then some of you turned in nothing to me. So you pushed the turn in button, but you didn't actually attach anything. You didn't actually put anything with it. Some of you did this, I think maybe by accident. You forgot to attach the assignment. That's okay. It should be saved on your computer, so it shouldn't be a problem. Some of you opened a document, opened an assignment, and a minute later turned it in, which tells me you just hit the turn in button. You didn't actually do the assignment. Everything is time-stamped, meaning I can see when you viewed it, when you uploaded it, when you sent it in. I can see all of that. I can see exactly what time. So those of you who are just opening it and then spending a minute on it and then pushing submit, guys, that's not doing the assignment. So be sure you're spending the time. What we do in class is what y'all are doing at home. We still have an 8th grade STAR test to take. You still have to get through 8th grade math to be successful in future math classes. So I don't want you missing out on material or curriculum. So today is just a makeup day for your work. Those of you that are struggling for sending in work, there is a lot of ways to do it. You can, I prefer not using email if all possible, just because it is, I get probably, 50 to 60 emails a day, and like going through all of those and trying to find things is really challenging. So if you send things through to me, go ahead and send them through the chat. Be sure you're sending them directly to me, not to the whole group. Or you can use the Teams app. So I'll show you on my phone. Which I did this in an earlier video, so you may be, I remember that. So that's what the Teams app looks like. It is free. It doesn't cost anything, so click on it. Sorry, it's got all of my classes I got going on. And down here at the More, and you can access your classes. So if I go to the math and I hit General, it brings me up to the agenda and everything with files, but I can look at my class notebook and my assignments in the More. But I don't want that. I want the more down here. So I'm going to click it. I'm going to push on camera. I'm going to take a picture of this agenda, which will be blurry for just a minute for you. Alright, so I took that picture. I'm going to push done. I'm going to cover up the names though, because I don't want any student's name to be on a video. But when I hit done, it gives me the option of who I want to talk to. Sorry. Who I want to talk to. So I can type in a name there, and then I just push send. Okay, that will send a direct picture to me if you want to do it that way. You can also attach, but if you attach something to an assignment, you have to push, I think, there's two buttons, turn in and a submit and turn in. I don't know what order they go in. I don't have access right now to a student account. It's actually a little bit challenging for me to get onto a student account and see what it looks like. But if you have issues with that, let me know. Be sure when you go to your return that you read whatever notes I've left on your assignment for you so you know how you did on it, but also so you know if you didn't turn it in or didn't attach it. All right. If you have any questions, send me messages through Teams. That's the best way to get a hold of me. You can email, but again, my email gets pretty bogged down. So if you have any questions, please email me or send me a message directly through that. You'll have a good day.